Hey guys, my name is Jessie and I'm the owner of Oyoyoy Studio. Today I'm gonna share with you how to create this amazing pot.
First step, we are sealing our pot. I'm using this brand, but any sealer will do. Just make sure it's suitable for sealing porous surfaces. For this design, I'm using 4 of my favorite colors, all from brands known for the high quality paints with thick and heavy body and consistency, and this will achieve vibrant colors and we won't need too much layers. Beginning with the pink paint, let's cover our pot with the first layer and let it dry. To speed up the process, you can use a hair dryer on a low settings. Once the first layer is dry, it's time to apply the second layer. Grab a small piece of paper and fold it to half. Then, with the scissors, cut out a heart shape. This will be our stencil. Using a pencil, gently outline the heart shape onto the surface of the pot. This will help in the next step of adding the red color. Continue outlining the heart shapes all around the pot. Now, let's grab the red paint and start filling those hearts. Once the first layer of the red paint is applied, allow it to dry completely before adding the second layer. This will ensure a vibrant and flawless finish to our heart's design. Let's grab another piece of paper and cut out a smaller heart shape. This will be our stencil for the second row of the hearts. Repeat the process we did for the first row. Paint them with the red color. Make sure to apply 2 layers and allow it to dry in between. Next up, let's grab the blue color and add half circles at the bottom of the pot, spacing them between each pair of hearts. Using the back of the brush, let's add a small blue and white dots around the pot. We are almost done. Grab a long, thin brush and dip it into white paint. Now add small stripes to the top part of the pot. This will add the final touch. After allowing the pot to completely dry, it's time for the final step. Using a clear sealer, apply 3 layers to ensure a shiny finish. Be sure to let the pot dry completely between each layer. This will not only protect our design, but also will give a glossy look to the pot.
I hope you enjoy crafting with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. You can share your recreations with me on social media and see you in the next video. Bye!